If you want to see how it's going to look in your shop, in your dummy or in your showpiece, you can see on the dummy area. This is going to look very beautiful. The shawl length will be proper 2.15 meter. And you can now I'm going to show you the most viral Instagram collection. This is going to be this A-line collection. You can see this proper apple cut, umbrella cut collection, and you can see the neck as well, and it's going to come with proper 2.15 meter dupatta, and you can see the proper pant style also. This is going to be very viral, very beautiful collection. Hello family, so today I have brought you very beautiful chinon 3-piece collection in the handwork edition. You can see the handwork style on the neck as well. You can see the all over suit is covered with mirror work and the gota patti work, and you can see the dupatta as well is going to be 2.5 meter. It will come with a proper plazo. You can see the plazo as well. If I'm going to talk about the set, in this set you're going to get 4 pieces, M, L, XL and XXL, and it's going to come with proper lining. Cotton lining you can see, and as well take the new resolution. If you want to earn profit in the retail market, so this is your collection. You can earn up to 50 to 60%. Now you can see this beautiful ghera collection, plus you can see the neck area also. It was going to come with proper handwork, cut dana work, bead work and the mirror work, and on the bottom side you can see proper tassels work. It will come with the Swarovski work. If you want to see how it's going to look in your shop, in your dummy or in your showpiece, you can see on the dummy area. This is going to look very beautiful. The shawl length will be proper 2.15 meter, and you can see the proper length of it. If I talk about my dummy length, it's going to be 6 feet. So if you want to grab these collections, this is your time. You just have to do one thing. You can see the number on the screen. You can directly video call us. You can directly visit us. If you want to know our address, you can see the address details in the description. And if you want to order these collections from outer country, shipping is available. If you want to order one set, then you can also order. If you want to order 1000 pieces, then you can order. You can see this next very beautiful daman collection is going to come with proper handwork tassels. You can see the neck area as well, and you can see the cut dana work, and you can see the daman also. It's going to come with a proper tassel work. If you want to see the dummy edition of this, you can see the dummy piece also, how beautiful it's going to look. And if you're liking this piece, you can directly take a screenshot. You can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us. And now I'm going to show you the most viral Instagram collection. This is going to be this A-line collection. You can see this proper apple cut, umbrella cut collection, and you can see the neck as well. It's going to be proper handwork collection, and here also you can see the cut dana work, mirror work. And if I talk about the prices, this is going to be under 1000 rupees collection, and it's going to come with proper 2.15 meter dupatta, and you can see the proper pant style also. This is going to be very viral, very beautiful collection. If you want to order all these collection for your shop, for your boutique, or you're owning a business from your home, you can order these collection. You can see this next collection also is going to be in the shorter version. You can see the cut dana work, you can see the mirror work, and you can see the daman also, how beautiful it's going to look. Now you can see the dupatta area also. Again 2.15 meter shawl length, and it will come with a proper plazo. If I talk about the size chart, what you are getting in it, you are going to get L, XL, XXL, 3XL in same color, same design, one set. One set contains 4 pieces. This is your chance to earn very good profit. Now I am going to show you this black color. Now I'm going to show you here, because I am wearing this piece. This is going to be very beautiful, and it's asking for it. Why I'm showing you this piece here? Because I'm wearing this piece itself. You can see this is going to be very beautiful black and orange color. You can see the proper dupatta length is going to be 2.25 meter, and you can see the proper handwork details on the neck. You can see the plazo as well. You can see the tassels. If you want to see the dummy edition, you can see the dummy edition as well. If you want to order all these beautiful collection for your shop, for your boutique, you can order it now. So you just have to do one thing. You can see the number on the screen. So call now, and this is your channel. Like, comment and share and subscribe. We are going to meet for the next collection, so do subscribe.